Hello everyone, this is Fred with USA Measurements, and today I'm going to show you how to set the zero range to the max range so you don't get an error code. So I'm going to show you here the problem first. So sometimes when you're putting value on the scale when it's not empty and you're trying to add weights and you try to zero, it will give you this error code. And so when you're loading different items on and you want to continue to tear out or zero each time, what we need to do is change a setting, but I'm going to show you if we use the tare function, it goes back to 0, but if I place another value and then I hit tare again, it then shows you what the gross weight is combined of those two items, and then you have to press tare again. So to avoid having to do that with both the 0 and the tare, what we're going to do is press hold and print, and then we're going to navigate to C20. So we'll use the unit button to go over 1. We'll hit the 0 button to go up to 2, toggle back over to the right with the count button, and then down with the tare. So we have C20, and we'll press print to confirm. Then we're going to want to set this to 100. And we can go up in value by hitting the 0 button. So once we're at C20 100, we're going to press print. That's going to change the setting, and then we're going to hit the button that says accum to exit the parameter settings. So, all right, so now that we're back at our weighing mode, we can go ahead and put an item on the scale and hit 0. Add another item, press 0. Add another item and press 0. And we can continue to do that for the full range of the capacity without having to get an error code or use the tare function every time. Thank you for watching.